I was in the house and I heard a boom sound. Okay, maybe not boom. I had a very big sound and I almost knew what had happened. Hi everyone, how are you doing today? You are so welcome to my channel. If you're new here, you are very welcome. I am Sarah Pedun. In today's video, I'm going to show you our small urban farm after a heavy rain. This matoke or this banana was so tall. I knew it would fall. You can see. I knew it would fall. And yesterday I cleared this part and forgot to support. I have sticks there for supporting, but I forgot to support it. But I still think even if I'd supported it, it was still going to fall. So it's not so matured. Oh, you see, it's very white. It's not yet very matured. Usually when it falls, you could leave it like that, and you could just leave it like that for a week or so and it will mature. But the way it has fallen, we can't really. You can see this tree. This is the angel trumpet. Wow, it almost took it out. It almost uprooted that. Oh my god. It almost uprooted the whole tree.
Hello guys, my name is Fiona Aguma. I have been waiting for this matok and I promised myself that I was going to take this matok.
You wanted to take it home to grandma?
Yes, my grandmother. Then Sarah told me, what about if that matok is not yet ripe, ready? By the time you are going to the village, I told her I'm going to wait for it. But today, still what happened? I am not happy at all.
Fiona is not happy, but she's all smiles.
I am not happy.
Fiona first break one, but it looks like it's not matured.
It's matured.
It's not so matured, but it's edible.
So my people will miss this matoke. I don't think they would get another matoke like this one.
This time round, I want to do something with this stem. I'm not going to give it to the chickens. There's something I have in mind for it. So we'll keep the stem. Let it fall there. Yesterday I was busy in this garden. I trimmed, weeded, and swept. Let me walk you through. So here was full of lots of mulberries, but as you can see, I have really trimmed them, and the garden is clean. That's how the garden looks. Maybe I give you a quick tour of what's growing in this garden. This garden is mostly for the bananas. As you can see, there are lots of bananas here. And there's also a very big avocado tree that I always trim down. As you enter, of course, there are bananas. And then this plant, I had someone call it poor man's orchid. I don't know if it's this one. Then we have taro, mulberries. So I'm trellising them. You can see this one. I'm making a beautiful pathway here by trellising the mulberries. Mulberries are very flexible. You can do anything with them. So I have lots of mulberries because I also give it to the rabbits. I feed the leaves to the rabbits. That is how our entrance looks like. We have ornamental plants. This is beautiful. And we have skuma wiki. We have skuma wiki and some peppers. This pepper needs to be trimmed down. It's growing very tall. And there are lots of peppers on it, but they're still very tiny. This one is bad, needs to go. We have lots of rain. I don't know if the rain is causing this. The ornamental plants are doing so well. Look at the calicia and a fan. Beautiful. We have cassava, more peppers. I don't know what's happening to them. But we have had lots of rain of recent. That is my composting pile. We have lots of skuma wiki as well. Hello. This leaf has to go. Here we have colrads. We have kale. This is kale, the green one, and the purple kale. The ones here haven't done so well. The marigolds, not very happy. There's just lots of rain. Trying to save seeds, but sometimes it's not possible because it takes forever to dry. I have to keep this and give it to the chickens. I planted green beans here and they did not do well. So now I have put some more taro. It's too cold here. Too cold and wet. There's not so much sunlight, as you can see. So not so much sunlight reaches down here. Under the avocado tree we had green beans. We harvested them and I'm seeing other flowers forming. But the plants don't look well, don't look good. This place has been very bushy. Now that it's clear, I hope it improves. Oh, I've just seen a cucumber. So this is where my taro are. You can see here. I tried to put them in rows so that I can walk here. So under here I'd planted cucumber, and there's one over here that is ready. It's more than ready. I don't know how I've missed it. Let's finish here and I pick it up. I create paths where I can reach, and this is sweet potatoes. I don't know if I should leave it or transplant, but I'll just take a few cuttings and plant it elsewhere. This is nice. So beautiful. All right. More taro. Here is just taro, mostly taro. I have this type and this type. I prefer this. I prefer this to this. But my turkeys love the leaves. The turkeys and the chickens enjoy the leaves, so I don't mind. The canna is looking beautiful. Almost done, but still beautiful. And down here I have corn, potatoes, some pumpkin, more taro, and corn down. Sunflower. I cut this, not intentionally. So I broke it yesterday when I was weeding here. But there are fighters. I think it's still going to make it. There's also this. And a cucumber plant. So that is it for this garden. The bananas, we have a banana over there, another one over here, that one, and another one hidden there, somewhere there. I forgot to show you the guava. We have this guava that I'm going to trim. It's getting too tall. No one will reach there to harvest. So we're going to cut the tall branches down. I only need this side. I've seen something. I don't know if it's ripe. I don't think it's good. No, it's not good. So anything that decomposes, the leaves, banana cuttings, anything, we throw here. And with time it will rot and we put in the garden. Oh, I didn't trellis this cucumber. Something has nibbled that one. Maybe a rat. These are garden eggs. It has one. I might just pull out this cucumber. What is it for this garden? Okay. This tire garden, I don't think they're doing well. Even the mint is so leggy. I don't know. I might have to change. The raised bed gardens are okay, except for this one. It's not broken. It's just so bent. This is not yet matured, but It won't take so long and I'll harvest the seeds. This purple kale, I buried it. It got broken from here but was still going. And I buried, I guess I didn't do a very good job. It's not broken, but it's just down like that. So the raised beds are okay. There's no damage. So that is our farm after a heavy rain. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.